App integration and data access via Microsoft Graph API. The Microsoft Graph API is a unified interface. It lets developers access many Microsoft services through a single endpoint. This API provides a consistent and secure way to interact with data, users, and activities across Microsoft 365 services, enhancing application integration. One of the key benefits of the Microsoft Graph API is its ability to enhance application integration. The Graph API lets developers connect their apps to many Microsoft services, like Outlook, OneDrive, and SharePoint. It lets developers create workflows that span multiple services. Seamless integration with Microsoft services. The Microsoft Graph API provides a single interface to access many Microsoft services. It makes it easy to integrate your apps with Outlook, SharePoint, and OneDrive. Using the Graph API, developers can simplify their integration. They can then build more efficient, cohesive apps. Simplified code development. With the Microsoft Graph API, developers can write less code and achieve more functionality. The API has tools and resources that simplify development. This lets developers focus on building innovative, feature-rich apps. This can help teams save time and resources, leading to faster and more efficient application development. Real-time data access. The Microsoft Graph API gives real-time access to data across Microsoft services. It lets developers retrieve and update information as it changes. This access to real-time data lets developers create apps. They can be dynamic and interactive. They will respond to users and provide up-to-date info. Data visualization and manipulation. The Microsoft Graph API lets developers visualize and manipulate data. They can create engaging, informative user experiences with it. The API has tools for data visualization, manipulation, and querying. They allow developers to build apps that present data meaningfully and impactfully. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Microsoft Graph API is a powerful tool for enhancing application integration and data access.